Forget protein. This overlooked mineral rebuilds muscle after 60. We always hear people say that after turning 60, muscle loss is inevitable. Most of the time, the finger gets pointed at not eating enough protein. And yes, protein does matter. No one's denying that. But that's not the whole story. When we focus only on protein, we miss what's really happening inside our bodies as we age. The truth is, the reason your muscles weaken or shrink over time runs much deeper than diet alone. Here's the great news. Once you understand why your muscles are slowing down, you can take simple, powerful steps to rebuild strength, energy, and balance, no matter your age. So let's dig in. The real reason muscle loss happens after 60. As we get older, our bodies start to shift in quiet ways. One of the biggest changes happens with hormones, particularly testosterone and growth hormone, the two key players in muscle growth and repair. Both begin to decline naturally over time, but hormones aren't the only issue. Deep inside your cells are tiny energy factories called mitochondria. They're what power your muscles and keep them running efficiently. As these mitochondria slow down, your muscles don't get the energy they need to recover, no matter how much protein you eat. If those energy systems aren't working right, even the best diet can't rebuild muscle. It's like trying to fill up a car with gas when the engine's not working. So if you've been feeling weaker, slower, or more tired lately, the problem might not be what you think. It's not just food. It's the signals your body sends. Here's what most people overlook. Muscle loss after 60 isn't just about food or exercise. It's about communication. Your cells constantly send signals, telling your body when to build, repair, or rest. But over time, things like inflammation, chronic stress, poor sleep, and nutrient imbalances start to disrupt those messages. Your body goes into what's called preservation mode. That means instead of building muscle, it focuses on simply maintaining basic functions, conserving energy, not growing stronger. And when that happens, you not only lose physical strength, but also confidence. You start to move less, rest more, and your body accepts this as the new normal. But here's the thing. This process isn't permanent. You can change those signals, and once you do, your body will listen. The real game changer, magnesium. If protein isn't the full answer, what's missing? The answer lies in one simple mineral, magnesium. This underrated nutrient quietly supports over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. From how your muscles contract and relax, to how you produce energy ATP, to how steady your blood sugar and nerves stay, magnesium plays a role in it all. After 60, magnesium levels tend to drop. It's one of the most common deficiencies in older adults, even those who eat well. When your magnesium runs low, everything slows down. Your energy, your recovery, even your mood. And here's something fascinating. ATP, your body's main energy molecule, can't function without magnesium. The active form is called MgATP. Without it, your muscle cells can't produce the energy they need to recover and grow. That post-workout fatigue that seems to last for days, that's often your body signaling a magnesium shortage. How magnesium supports muscle repair. Magnesium doesn't just help with energy, it also fights inflammation. As we age, low-level inflammation becomes more common, quietly damaging tissue and slowing recovery. Magnesium naturally helps regulate your immune system and reduce this inflammation, letting your muscles heal faster. It's also crucial for your nervous system. When you're constantly in fight or flight mode, your body prioritizes survival over growth. Magnesium helps activate your rest and recover system, lowering stress hormones like cortisol and improving deep sleep. And that matters because most muscle repair happens while you're sleeping. So if you've been feeling restless, sore, or slow to recover, your body may simply be asking for more magnesium, not more effort. Why most people are deficient? Modern life makes it surprisingly hard to get enough magnesium. Soil depletion, processed foods, chronic stress, caffeine, and even certain medications drain magnesium from your body. Even if you're eating a balanced diet, you might still be missing out on this vital mineral. The signs can be subtle: tiredness, muscle cramps, irritability, poor sleep, and brain fog. Most people brush these off as just getting older, but often they're early warnings that your magnesium levels are running low. Rebuilding strength from the inside out. When people over 60 feel tired or weak, they often blame age. But what if it's not aging at all? Just a simple imbalance your body can fix. Once you restore magnesium, your body begins to respond. Protein works better, workouts feel easier, recovery gets faster, and your energy feels steady again. It's not magic. It's just biology working the way it's supposed to. Choosing the right type of magnesium. Not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Some forms are poorly absorbed and barely help your muscles. Magnesium oxide, cheap but poorly absorbed. Magnesium glycinate, highly absorbable, gentle on the stomach, great for sleep and relaxation. Magnesium citrate, supports digestion and muscle cramps. Magnesium malate or threonate, excellent for energy and brain health. For muscle rebuilding and recovery, glycinate or malate are top choices. For better sleep and mental calm, threonate can be helpful. The key is choosing the right type for your needs, not just grabbing the cheapest bottle on the shelf. Timing and pairing matter. Magnesium works best when your body actually needs it most. Taking it at night helps boost deep sleep and supports hormone balance for recovery. After a workout, a smaller dose can help muscles relax and reduce soreness. And remember, magnesium doesn't work alone. It partners closely with vitamin D. Without vitamin D, your body can't absorb magnesium efficiently. And magnesium, in turn, activates vitamin D into its usable form. They rely on each other to keep your system in sync. The mindset shift that changes everything. Most people think supplements are about defending against decline, protecting bones, preventing heart issues, or just surviving. But the truth is, magnesium helps you build, not just protect. It supports the foundation of recovery, the rest, repair, and regeneration that keep you strong and independent. Once you combine magnesium with consistent movement, good sleep, and stress control, you shift from just getting by to actively improving your body's performance. That's the difference between aging and thriving. Your body still has potential. If you're over 60 and feeling stuck, if workouts aren't helping like they used to, or recovery seems slow, don't just add more protein powder. Ask your body what it's missing. Because sometimes the answer isn't to push harder, it's to nourish smarter. With the right balance of minerals, rest, and movement, your body can still rebuild itself. You can feel stronger, steadier, and more alive than you have in years. Magnesium may not be a miracle cure, but it's the missing link that helps everything else finally start working again. So next time you think muscle loss is just part of aging, remember this. Your body isn't breaking down. It's waiting for the right support to build itself back up. Give it that, and you'll be amazed at what it can do. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried adding magnesium to your routine? Did you notice any changes in your strength, sleep, or recovery? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to take their first step. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future health tips here on Feel Fresh 360. Thanks for watching, and remember, your age doesn't define your strength. How you support your body does.